Candy is dandy, but liquor's quicker. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a shandy. We're throwing it back old school the way my grandma used to drink in the mornings. So you take some cilantro, put it in your pitcher, 2/3 a cup of sugar, and you're gonna muddle. You're gonna let that sugar be the abrasion that helps break apart and gets the oils out of your herbs. From there, add some lemon juice, or lime if you want. Stir it up. Add McCormick pure almond extract, about a teaspoon. Add a little ice. Ice, baby, had to. A little seltzer. A lot of pale ale. And now you have a perfect, easy drink for you and your friends. Emphasis on you.